What age you get raped? They never tell me that. Because they did ask you. See, all the comment did it. So I don't know, my love.
Yeah, me did get raped.
Me no. So you have mental problem?
No.
What age you get raped? What age you get raped?
12.
And have no mental problem?
No.
Wow. At the age of 12?
Yeah.
I don't have no mental problem.
So
You
you see
used to
them
get
make
beaten?
story.
I used to get beaten?
Yeah.
I don't have no mental problem. Wow.
No.
They want to see your face. No, me never hear him say 10. At 10 I did say. Me hear him saying come out when him at 10.
Yeah.
And that means him saying come out when him at 10. Oh, you get abused and you get raped and I ain't have no mental problem? That's strange to me. Well, I don't know for you, but for me, I have. But like that's... Me don't know why no one show face and him always show him face. Yeah, you never know. I'll tell you something, I meet a lot of good people on Instagram. Some of them bitter, but I meet a lot of nice people on Instagram. And they so me they sit and they give me any little thing. Owen, why you come for me life and make, why you come for people life and make problem with me, Owen, as me see you? I don't know customer, me ask someone, why you come for people life and make problem with me, Owen? You know say you're a problem maker. It's a problem, man. Cause you know woman. Mr. Stacey ever beat the figure you see. You say go and broke your neck. Did they tell the story now? She can't have mental problem, I don't know. They say she have mental problem, I don't know.
Well, when me did I get beaten, me usually get beaten from me bigger brother because me usually take some man out of my phone, and one day me sit down on my big brother laptop on Facebook. I take some people, so me don't know how him see it. Here,
no, me feel like
me not
it.
look.
No, I don't know. No,
Look.
let me tell you something. I'm gonna be facts. I'm gonna talk truth.
Me not
Some
look.
people came on Instagram and talking and then them attack them story. I know say most of them story them attack alive. Remember say Latina come on live, you know. I mean Latina say, oh, you get stabbed in your foot, shot in your foot. No, say Latina, do you get shot in your foot? No, never can stab in your foot.
So, well on the destiny. People can have bigger brother. What?
That story is shock.
People can have bigger brother. Me have a twin brother. And me bigger brother. Me have a next bigger brother. So, what is the problem? No, sir.
Mental problem. But you know, Jamaica people don't take stuff serious. She might have a mental problem, Destiny, but you know, Jamaica people don't take things serious. Yeah, but more one day they take the part. If they thought it's a story and our immigration that is they put out she long time. A facts, me I tell they. A true. Yeah, me I tell you they. If you come in an immigration office, you hear me?
Yeah.
If you came into an immigration office and you seek asylum and you give them that story, they want to decline you. Sorry, chum. Okay, babes.
You know. But it's similar. It really me usually go through it like every day with my bigger brother and people and what people they say
No, she
and
can't tell
all
a
of
story in
that.
the immigration
Me
office.
go
You mad?
through it.
Them decline her a long time. And it me I try to tell her. If when she come at you up, me love me, I try to lick it to her head and I say, Dede, you cannot tell the story in the immigration office. They gonna send you them not really send her, they're not gonna send her back, you know. Cause she a gay. But then now go give in the papers. You have to tell a full story, me I tell her Dede. No, me love. You come like me have to make this a life, you be one story live. The people come and speak them truth and speak them story. Me love it. Yeah. No big stuff like no more.
This really may have to sit down and talk because certain things me no want to talk on here.
Lady, you can talk. That's your story. You never know who can help you. Me can help you. And them can help you.
Sometimes
And them can help
sometimes I
you.
just
It's the truth. Yeah,
I
but if
understand.
the story not go so don't talk it on the Instagram if you go. Alright, let's say if you go come and fire it and you have one story, me can go tell you say no. Me can't go tell you say no. Me not go tell you say no. Cause when me there Switzerland you know, and people are coming up, people used to tell me say Destiny when me tell immigration, and me say look here, me can't tell you what tell immigration say. Me know my story, you know your story. You tell immigration your story. Me not go tell you step, go tell immigration and say, oh, them used to do this and them used to no, I can't do that. I can't do
You
it.
can do
No, I can't do
Kira,
it.
this year you can do German second chance for the regret void. Kira,
But then me and they never talk yet and they tell me say go through nothing. Let me tell you something about too bad you know they lie no. They lie. They are my friend, I'm gonna talk the truth. They is lie.
with what?
You know, just no say a lie. And we can't tell you why me say a lie. Remember one time you go on the live and you tell Barry and Quincy Miller say,
Yeah.
you tell him say you can't stay at your yard because your people want to beat you, abuse you. And you want money and you want this. Remember? And me come on the live and me say, no, this is my followers. Me not make nobody trick my followers or fool my followers. Me say to you, say, remember say they at a house, a safe house, that gay people is there. It's for safety. Like they put gay people there after them sending a foreign. You remember? I mean never like that. Me never like it. Because when people come and treat my followers them, it a go look bad for me. And yeah, it a go look bad for me for true. It a go look bad for me. I mean, remember say me know the truth, you know. Remember say me know the truth, you know. And then no, people go say me I hear that scam them. Yeah, and me turn to them and say me turn to them and say, you might want look things, cause you know when they are the program us. Yeah, sometimes you will get little well the program also they better than I watch, you know, 100 better than I watch
Yeah.
watching the element stuff, you know. But they still get their money and they still get them things. And I said to yourself, you probably want little things. You understand? I said to yourself, you probably want little things. But them are people on Instagram, they are very nice people on Instagram. And me I tell a day, me meet a lot of nice. Me say one woman send one big box of America come so come give me much last, how much we call how much things do I see no me love. What and how much money the woman pay. If me didn't know, me tell the woman say don't pay it. And the woman say no, Destiny me like you and you know, you have to, when you talk a story, people will believe you, people will like you, but you have to talk a story full 100% to make people come into you. Me I tell you, look at me. A lot of people see me on the internet. But they don't know my story. You have to tell them my story.
Your
And they
story.
go always bash you. If you not tell them a story, if you're not telling them, if you don't tell them your story, how they going to know that what you've been through? You know much, hey, let me tell you something. Me, that's me stung you so. And it tell it. You know much mother like me, we can change? Or me change? You know much mother when you hear my story? Oh. One guy in America tell me, say, you know, over here and tell me, no, I can show you text everything. I swear upon my life. The guy say, Destiny, you know much people story, you know much people your story help in America? Because American have an immigration office. Yeah? And he tell me, say, my story help a lot of mother, a lot of gay people in the courthouse in America that in I work in an immigration office. Can them listen to the story. When we talk the story on Instagram and we post it, them listen it, them screen record it. May I tell you? And that's facts. Facts, lady. Facts. Facts, may I tell you, lady. Facts. Like, some people don't like talk them story.
Oh.
But if I that story, I'm trying to tell them what a story I go get an immigration office, they want to turn you back. They're not turning back, you know. You will never get no papers in the country.
So our Destiny's story me they tell.
No. Me I'm telling you.
Them people just
listen
people are just dumb, illiterate.
No, nobody now bash you. I'm saying that if it's this story you're going to give them in the immigration office, you're not going to get any papers in their country. I'm telling you. I've been there and I've done that. All right. Me I tell you, me see people them set back up. Me see people they don't get papers. Me I tell you. Them I go say a lie, I tell. You know no proof, Lord Jesus. Murder. When you want to get asylum, you better make somebody chop in your blood clotted. Because I say, oh, all me I give them the story in the immigration office. But give them the story in the immigration office and me tell them how much things we got through. And them believe, you know, but them still not have no evidence. I'm just go so whoop and pop up my video. And I saw them say, oh, them say, we grab the asylum same time. Let me say, then grab me the asylum same time me coming 24. Me coming 24 of September. And I do the interview the 26th, I think the 26th of September. And when we give them the statement, they never believe. I'm just supposed to fling out the proof and the picture of them everything. You see a Latina over there and Sean there, and me make them get asylum. Me make them get asylum. I don't tell them I make them get asylum. You see me see about the program house, but some video with them back to the house. Me alone have the video and the picture on my phone. Because them fool them my brother they not have it. And when we go in the immigration office, I show them it and tell them which program house we are come from. I show them the proof. All the program house, all them back on the program house. Listen what happen. You feel come to me, I talk to them, I'm going to tell you listen what happen. You see me show them that. You see when Latina them are coming. Latina they don't have no proof. I say Latina, you better tell them stay. Before Latina reach them, say Latina, tell them stay. You're coming from the house that burned, that back boom. And just before Latina even tell them say to her, say, do you know Shakeen Thomas, which is me? Coming back to get to work, some of them ask now, why them ask people if they know me? You understand me? And them say, because she's coming from the same house and she has some proof that the house buckle, boom. Them are not proving no. I mean, have a proof. Them are coming and they have no proof. The only proof that I did have, I went to the Westmoreland and police must have come in and them do something about police coming in. I did also the backlog bomb and I show them. But I know that made me get asylum. And my video made me get asylum with the woman and the man beat me. Yeah, with the video where them a beat me and I chat me and still me get asylum. And you give them store from, you know what we then do? Them ask for your baby. Which baby basic school used to go? How many brother